Hello loves, this is my first clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are going to be cleaning the kitchen area here. And as you can see, it's a little disarray, not too badly, but on the other side there are some dishes on the stove that you will see in a minute. I am changing over my kitchen to the summer decor. As you can see, some of the things there on the counter. A video will be coming soon, so stay tuned with that. So let's get started. So this is my weekly cleaning. This is what I do on my Saturday mornings when I clean the kitchen area before I go on my errands this morning, grocery shopping and things in that nature. So I like to rinse my dishes out before I put them in the dishwasher, although I didn't have to do that, but I just can't have food particles inside the dishwasher. And then I take some antibacterial and I start spraying down the sink and the counters and the backsplash. Once everything is washed down with antibacterial, I use my nice microfiber cloth and I wipe everything down till it's nice and shiny. That's including the sink, the counters, and the backsplash. Now I start using my Method wood cleaner for the bottom cabinets and drawers. I love this stuff. It really gets the grease and grime off the cabinets without leaving any oily residue. It leaves a nice buffed shine on the cabinets, which I like. These cabinets, you don't supposed to put any harsh detergent or any oil on them. So this really does the trick and I'm very pleased with it. So now we begin by cleaning my stainless steel appliances. What I'm using is called Perfect Stainless. I purchased it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this stuff really does the trick. It cleans everything, the glass and the stainless steel, all in one swoop and leaves a nice shine behind. So I use this stuff on just about everything stainless steel. Here I use it on my backsplash. I even use it on my sink and the sink spouts and everything. So this stuff is really good. I'm addicted to it. Starting on the top cabinets with my Method wood cleaner, and then we'll be done on this side of the kitchen and we will start on the island. So we're just about done on this side of the kitchen. We're doing the glass cabinets here, so we'll clean that inside and out, and we also clean the shelves with the wood cleaner, and then this side is done. Okay guys, it's time for the island. This is a very large island, so it's a big chore keeping it clean. So we're going to take all this stuff off and then we're going to start cleaning our counters with some antibacterial cleaner. The stovetop can get pretty dirty. My husband tried to do it daily, but I like to at least do a thorough cleaning on the weekends so I can get all that grease and grime and scrub it really clean. Take everything off, like the grill and the filters, and clean those too. You guys, I had to change my top and get out of that sweater. Man, it was getting hot, so I put on something a little bit more lighter. So here's a tip. If you don't have this perfect stainless steel, this is something new for me. I normally use vinegar and olive oil. Those two are great together. You basically spray it on and go in the direction of the grain in your stainless steel appliances. Normally when you say the direction of the grain, people talk about wood, but your stainless steel does have grain that's either running horizontally or vertically, so using a soft cloth or a paper towel. Okay everyone, we are going to clean these bottom cabinets with the Method wood cleaner, and we're going to wipe those down and clean those really good and get all that grease and grime out on those cabinets here, especially close to this stove, because grease does splash everywhere. So we're going to really wipe these down and clean them. Okay guys, it's time to wipe down our counters and get them clean and germ free. I'm using that Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner, and I'm wiping them down really good. I love this sponge. It's a microfiber sponge on one side and it's a scrubber on the other side, and I think I purchased it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think you can get it also on Amazon. If you guys seen my What's in My Caddy video, I will link that up in the iCard. It talks about each of the products that I'm using here on the video today, and you can check that out and see what I'm using as cleaners and certain other essentials that I use to clean my home. I'm using antibacterial on my counters, but I also use a vinegar and bleach solution to cut the grease off the counters, because every now and again you can get some oil here on the counters because of the stove top is right there on the counters, and that oil can easily transfer to the counter. So that bleach and water solution cuts that grease really well. So after I get everything cleaned off and germ free with the antibacterial, I just go over again with bleach solution to make sure all the grease is up. Okay guys, we got another set of drawers and cabinets on this side of the island, so we're going to pull out our Method wood cleaner and clean those and get those nice and clean and grease free. This is the last of the island cabinets, so we're going to clean that with the Method wood cleaner, and we're going to wipe those down, and then we're going to get ready to clean our chairs. Using linseed oil and some almond oil to clean and condition my chairs here. I don't do this every weekend, but more like every other weekend. I'm going to clean and condition these, and this is about the end of it, so we're real close to finishing here. that would do it, guys. I believe this is it. We're going to do these floors and get them all vacuumed. Randy does his chores on Friday evening, and that is mopping all the floors, including the kitchen. So the floors has been mopped last night. I'm just getting up any leftover trash and anything left over from me cleaning. So I'm going to vacuum that up, and that will be it for this clean with me. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!